Welcome, global citizens. You've landed at Bhudev Global, your one-stop hub for insights into international trade, export-import business, agricultural commodities, and the latest trade news. Here, we're all about unlocking the potential of global commerce, offering you a wealth of knowledge to navigate and succeed in the international marketplace. Picture this: a world where you have access to comprehensive insights, expert advice, and the latest trends shaping the world of international trade. That's what we offer here at Bhudev Global. We delve into import-export strategies, keep you updated on the fluctuating landscape of agricultural commodities, and equip you with the tools to thrive in the global marketplace. But wait, there's more. We're not just about trade updates. We also share valuable startup guidance, helping entrepreneurs steer through the intricate maze of international business. So whether you're a seasoned trader, an ambitious entrepreneur, or a curious mind intrigued by global trade intricacies, Bhudev Global is your reliable, up-to-date information source. Imagine a community where individuals share a passion for global business, a place where content educates, inspires, and connects like-minded people around the world. That's our mission here at Bhudev Global. We're not just a channel, we're a community. So, are you ready to stay informed, stay connected? Hit the subscribe button now. We've got a treasure trove of international trade insights, export-import strategies, agricultural commodity updates, and startup advice waiting for you. Thank you for stopping by Bhudev Global. Remember to subscribe, join our community, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's chart the thrilling course of global business together. This is Bhudev Global, signing off. Until next time, stay informed and stay connected.